In today's fast-paced world, the ability to make quick and effective decisions is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a business leader, a team member, or simply navigating daily life, the speed at which you can arrive at a decision can significantly impact your success. Welcome back to At Banky's Corner. If this is your first time of watching, please like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos. In today's video we'll be discussing 5 ways to decide faster. The first way is by limiting your options. Limiting your options is one of the effective ways to decide faster. When faced with too many choices, we often experience decision paralysis, which can lead to stress and dissatisfaction. By narrowing down the available options, you simplify the decision-making process and reduce cognitive overload. The second way is by drawing a line between good and bad choice. This method simplifies the decision-making process by categorizing options, allowing individuals to focus on what truly matters. Drawing a line between good and bad choices helps you decide faster by clarifying options, simplifying complexity, reducing indecision and building confidence. The third way is by listening to your gut feeling. Listening to your gut feeling is very crucial because it involves tapping into your intuition and instincts, trusting your inner wisdom and emotions, and making decisions without overthinking or analyzing. By listening to your gut, you can save time and energy, avoid analysis paralysis and make more confident and instinctive decisions. The fifth point is decisiveness grows with each decision. This means that, the more decisions you make, the more confident you'll become. With each decision, you'll develop your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You'll learn to trust yourself and your instincts. By knowing this, you can take action instead of hesitating, build momentum and faster decisions. Develop a growth mindset and become a more decisive person. Remember that indecisiveness kills.